Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your TikTok account to Hootsuite. To find the option to add your TikTok account, go to the social accounts and themes under your profile here at the bottom left and click into this. And then click into plus private account. In here, you can find all of the options of the other social accounts that you can add into Hootsuite. For now, let's click into TikTok. Now, Hootsuite is going to ask for your TikTok credentials for you to log in. And once you're finished, you'll find Hootsuite asking you which permissions you're going to grant it. Now, if you want the full experience, then check everything. But if you only want Hootsuite to manage specific key areas, then you can uncheck a few of them. And once you're done, just press continue, and now your TikTok account is now attached to your social accounts. And that's how to connect TikTok to Hootsuite.